Have you ever felt like you weren't good enough as those around you and the people you follow on social media? And as soon as you try something, you get this like feeling that you're not good enough. So 1 year ago, with the feeling of what people will think of me, I heard this really nice quote. Who's gonna believe in me if I don't do it myself? And that's no one. No one will believe in you if you don't believe in yourself. And with this quote, it's like we believe that everyone is strong and everyone can do like everything that they set their mind to, which is just super inspiring for me. So that year ago, I picked up my first camera, I picked up my first drone, and I just went all in, out for it. And that was to share my love and passion for filmmaking and photography. If I wouldn't do that, I would still be the same as before, and I wouldn't have this thing of feeling that I have something in my life that I really enjoy doing. And I think that many people have the same feeling, that there is something they want to do, but they sit there, they just wait for the right opportunity to come. But that opportunity, it might just run past you if you don't just search for them. Like, take the opportunities that you find, even if it's small, because that can grow into something very, very big and amazing. And I'm a bit of proof for that. And even if I'm not like big enough, it's okay. It's totally fine, because you are on your journey and you shouldn't compare yourself to the others that have already reached those things. Maybe they have worked for like 5 years before they found this thing, and now you only see the success that is the overnight success for you, but it's actually taken like 5-10 years or something for them to reach. And I had no clue that I would see such an amazing community in my life from starting this filmmaking journey, and all the people that are watching here. So all I had to do was actually to reach out to the community to help, and the rest is history. So the moral of the story is like, don't live by the fear of judgment. If your heart says yes, then go for it, because maybe you don't get another chance, and you should always go for it. If it don't work, just try something else, and eventually you'll find your thing. So if you feel somewhere deep inside you of something that you want to do or try, start doing it. Start doing it. It's gonna be absolutely worth it in the end. So don't just sit there and wait for the right opportunity, as I said, because you might end up just not reaching any of them, and that would be super sad if that would happen to you. So in the end, all we have is this life. So go out there and do everything you can for yourself to make it good.